So let me show you how we can assign this workflow to any user and how that user can execute this workflow. So over here, I am assigning the workflow to myself. And over here, you can see there is an option of Vault folder. So this is the folder in your Vault, and Vault is a module in your dashboard where you can see all the documents which are collected across different workflows at one place. Now, the workflow was already initialized with Aditya, and I have initialized with Nitin. And let me log in as Nitin and see the journey from the user's end, how user will actually execute. So the user will first have to log in with their mobile number. So it's the same mobile number to whom you assigned the workflow. I have logged in with my OTP. I mean, it's a dummy OTP which we have configured for few accounts, and I could see the workflow which has been initialized with me. I will see this DP data privacy and protection notice that I need, that all this data will be collected from you and you have to give a consent. So I give a consent. Then I will see the instructions about this workflow. Then I proceed forward. Then I will see some more details about the instructions. Then I click on I am ready, let's start. Then it will start asking me the requirements according to the workflow. So Nitin Gupta, mail, email ID, let's say nitin162.gmail.com. Mobile number is, current address is 402. This is a dummy address which we have created on the dummy Aadhaar card. So I enter that address. So this is a dummy emergency contact number which I have added. And let's say Abhishek Kumar, which is again a dummy name. And I leave other details and I click on submit. Now I upload the PAN card. So let's say I upload this PAN card.
So this PAN card will now be processed, and it will take a few seconds to process the PAN card, or for that matter any document. It may take anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. And
as you can see, it has extracted all the details in the PAN card, and I click on confirm and continue. Then my PAN card will be validated against the government API because that's what we configured in our workflow. And now we upload any one of these documents, identity proof. So let's say I upload Aadhaar card. Again, information is extracted from Aadhaar card. And then I click on continue. Then it will ask me about the address proof. And again, I will have to upload one of the following 4 address proof. Let's say I upload the electricity bill here. Again, the information will be extracted from the electricity bill. And then I click on continue. So actually, when it showed me the dialog box with all the information, if I did not like any information, I could have changed that information. Then it is asking me for a selfie capture. So I need to put my entire face in this oval shape. And I click on use this photo. And it is now verifying the photo, whether it is a face or not. Then it has gone for manager approval. So I have assigned myself as approver. So if I go to approvals, then I will see this approval in my account. So this approval would come only when the risk assessment has passed. So all the address, date of birth, face match, name validation. So all those validations have passed, then only it would come to manager approval. That's what we configured in our workflow. So now I click on this and I could see all the information which has been captured before I approve. So this was the prompt and these are the results of the AI node. So the KYC review, date of birth match, yes, face match, yes, name match, yes, risk score is less than 50, address partially matched, and it is giving me the reason. Then personal details, then KYC instructions, PAN card, and all the documents I could actually see by clicking here that were uploaded by the user and the selfie capture. So let's say if all the details look good to me, then I could approve. All the details are good to me, and I click on approve. And now when I come here, the workflow will automatically move forward. So now since the manager has approved, it will come to the user for signing. So I could see the KYC certificate with all the details filled in from the documents which were collected from the user. And I could download, or I could continue and sign. So I click on sign document. We did not configure email verification. If we would have configured, then first I had to verify with my email, then only I could have signed it. So let's say I click on start signing and I click on agree, and I click here and I enter the name, fill the signatures in all places, and I click on OK, and then I click finish. So this is legally signed document now, and I could view the signed document, and I could click on continue. So the workflow is now complete, and I could go back to the dashboard. And when I come here in the executions, I could see the execution of this particular workflow over here. And as you can see over here also, the workflow execution is all complete, and I could see the details in the execution here. So start, then KYC instructions, then personal details were filled, then PAN card was captured, as you could see here. Then PAN verification was done, which was verified. Then identity proof was collected, which was Aadhaar card. Then address proof, which was electricity bill. Then selfie capture. I mean, it could have been a nicer picture, but that's okay. Then upload documents to Drive, and all those documents were actually uploaded to Drive, and KYC verification and manager review. And let me just quickly show you all the uploaded documents on the Drive as well. So as you can see, the documents which we configured to be collected have been sent to the Google Drive, and also the Slack messages are received. So this is how actually the workflow is executed and by the user, and how this execution appears in the dashboard. So thank you.